Hi guys, Popoman here. Well, happy 4th of July to everyone. Yes, this is straight from my backyard. Yes, the fireworks are over there, and I know you can hardly see it. I'm sorry guys, but trying to make as clear picture as possible. Again, this is coming straight from my backyard. Yeah, there are trees in the way, and yeah, I can't do anything about it. I'm sorry, but yeah, this is the only clear picture I could get from fireworks all the way over there. I tell you, there was a fireworks show at a bridge all the way over there where I live, and unfortunately I didn't go. Sorry, but you know, if I was there, I would absolutely do a better video than this. Again, this is from my backyard. See if I could try to hold on. Let me try to stand on a chair or something here. Ah, I stand on the chair. Yes, stand on the chair. I know you see black. I know. I'm sorry. Okay, standing on the chair now. Ah, whatever. See fireworks there. There you go. Yay, fireworks! Fireworks kick ass. Sorry if you can't hear the big booms or anything. Whoa! Holy shit, what the fuck was that? Okay. Fireworks. This is me watching fireworks. Yeah, I don't know how the fireworks show starts. I mean, I think the fireworks show started like fucking, goddamn blurry fucking camera. Anyways, I think it started at 8 o'clock, but, no, not 8 o'clock, no way. I think it started at 9, and I think it's like 9:50 right now. So I'm thinking this is like 50 minutes into the damn thing, I'm not sure. Sorry guys, I need to hold my camera still in order to get a clear picture of the fireworks. Oh god, now you see blurry. Sorry. This is my first time doing a night firework show. Shit with this camera. You know, I gotta do, yeah, like that. There you go. Fireworks. I wish I was there. I would do a better video than this. Oh, beautiful fireworks. They're going crazy on those fucking fireworks. Fuck. God damn it. You know, I'm gonna get fucking mosquito bites when I wake up in the morning. It's fucking gonna be amazing. Shit, I gotta stand still. Fucking mosquitoes are biting the shit out of me, I'm pretty sure. Shit. Fucking mosquito. What the fuck was that? It was like a whistle somewhere. I don't care. Holy shit. Flashing over there. I think the fireworks show's like an hour. Whoa. Holy shit. It's the apocalypse! Oh no! I think they just wrapped. I think that's it for the fireworks, I believe. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I know you can hear booms, but I think they just wrapped up the fucking fireworks. Yeah, let's just... Yeah, I'm leaving. Let me put back the chair. Fuck. Okay. Let's walk into my house then. Hey, go. Go, go, dogs, go. There's my kitchen. Oh, crap, I gotta put down the clothes up. Yes. Yes, my kitchen. My kitchen. Look, my mother's over there. Look, let's smile for the camera. Come on, do a close up. Come on, smile for the camera, mother. Come on. Come on. Look at you. I can do a close up on your face, mother. Alright. Yeah. Let's walk in my room. Walk in my room. Look at my room, it's a mess. It's a fucking mess. My room's a mess, look at it. Oh my my room's a mess, yeah, look at all that. It's my stuff. Look, I'm playing Sonic Unleashed. Playing Sonic Unleashed right now. Oh yeah, that reminds me. Look at my new PS3. Oh, no. Look at my new PS3, I got it. Got it today. And I just got Sonic Unleashed with it too. Alright, that's it. Fireworks show. Yay! Happy 4th of July, everyone! Yay!